Good morning. I am Reggie, Associate Professor, Department of ECE. Today we are going to see about session and service continuity. On completion of this topic, students can understand session and service continuity. Session and service continuity. In telecom technology, one of the key feature requirement is data session and service continuity to ensure uninterrupted service to the user irrespective of any change of UE or change in the core anchor point. In 4G, EPC providing continuity at IP section by matching PGWUD regarding the UE mobility. In 5G architectures, SSC support enabled to address various continuity requirements for different applications. However, not all the application record guarantee IP session continuity, even if service continuity is needed, but 5G being more flexible and evolved, offer different type of session continuity depend on UE or service type. Key pointer of SSC mode. Actually, 5G technique allow the service provider to set a specific SSC mode for a given PDU session. SSC mode determine flow of packet across the network in mobility scenario. A PDU session is configured to a specific session and service continuity mode. 3GPP specification provide three different type of SSC. SSC mode, the specific allocated selected SSC mode field or PDU selection. SSC mode 1 and 2 work on PDU type and Ethernet. SSC mode 3 will work on PD2 session type IP. So as far as you concern, there are three types of mode what we are going to use. That is mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. In this service 5G architecture provide three session mode, SSC modes to address various continuity requirement for application or service. SSC mode 1, 5G preserve connectivity services to the UE. For PDU session, type 1 IPv4, IPv6 or IPv6v6 IP address is preserved. SSCC mode with SSC2 mode, 5G network may release connectivity provided by VE. SSC mode 3, the network preserves the connectivity provided to UE, but there are some impact to certain procedure. For example, IP address allocated to UE will be updated if the anchor UPF changes, but the change anchor will ensure connectivity is preserved. So here the session and service continuity mode, how it will work. Selection is used to determine the type of session and service continuity mode associated with an application. A MNO may give provision for policy rule for UE to determine the type of mode associated with application or a group. There is a default policy that matches all the application. When a UE initiate a PDU section, it determines SSC mode and has a particular application by checking SSC mode selection policy. In 5G core, SMF can receive the list of supported SSC mode and default SSC mode per DNN per NACS subscription information. Based upon the selection result, SMS can either accept or modify, reject UE subscription or local configuration. The SSC mode information is exchanged as a part of NAS layer signaling. The UE send the PDU session establishment request including PU session type and request SSC mode. The core session respond the selected SSC mode as a part of PDU section. This is the diagram between UE and AMF how the response will happen. PDU session establishment request based upon the plain NAS message and this packet type no SSC mode sent to PD2 session request. Accept. So accept SSC selected will be accept from this mode. From this topic, students can understand what is the following is not SSC mode in 5G. SSC mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4. Which SSC mode allow PDU section to be released and new section to be established? SSC mode 1, 2, 3, all the above. In 5G, what type of PDU section represents? A physical interference bringing session a logical connection to UE and data SIM authentication.